गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप यू आर फाइन। कल हमने क्लास 6 पॉलिटिकल साइंस का चैप्टर 4 की एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इसका फर्स्ट पैरा पढ़ा। नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस इट सेकंड पैराग्राफ, दैट इज पार्टिसिपेशन। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. Why do we have regular elections? You have already read in the previous chapter that people make the decisions in a democracy. Through voting in elections, people elect leaders to represent them. These representatives take decisions on behalf of the people. In doing so, it is assumed that they will keep in mind the voices and interests of the people. All governments are elected for fixed periods. In India, this period is 5 years. Once elected, once elected governments can stay in power only for that period. If they want to continue to be in power, then they have to be re-elected by the people. This is a moment when people can sense their power in a democracy. In this way, the power of the government gets limited by regular elections. Other ways of participation. Elections are usually held once in 5 years. Besides voting, there are other ways of participating in the process of government. People participate by taking an interest in the working of the government and by criticizing it when required. In August 2005, when a particular government increased the money people had to pay for electricity, people expressed their disapproval very sharply. They took out rallies and also organized a signature campaign. The government tried to explain the defend its decision, but finally listened to the people's opinion and withdrew. To increase, the government had to change its decision because it is responsible to the people. There are many ways in which people express their views and make governments understand what actions they should take. These include dharnas, rallies, strikes, signatures, campaigns, etc. Things that are unfair and unjust are also brought forward. Newspaper, magazines, and TV also play a role in discussing government issues and responsibilities. While it is true that a democracy allows people to participate, it is also true that not all sections of people are actually able to do so. Another way for people to participate is by organizing themselves into social movements. They seek to challenge the government and its functioning. Members of the minority community, women and others are often able to participate in this manner. In a country's people are alert and interested in how the country is run, and democratic character of the government of the country will be stronger. So the next time when we have rally winding through the streets of our cities and towns or villages, we should pause to find out what the rally is about, who is participating in it, and what they are protesting about. This will help to give us a sense of how our government works. तो हम देखेंगे ये पार्टिसिपेशन जो है हर साल मतलब रेगुलर इलेक्शन होता है, लोग अपने इसमें इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लेते हैं और डिस्कस करते हैं, अपने अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इलेक्ट करते हैं। ये रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो होते हैं लोगों के चुने हुए नुमाइंदे, ये हुकूमत चलाते हैं, बहुत सारे कामों को आगे ले जाते हैं। लोगों की जो पार्टिसिपेशन होती है डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर वो मस्ट होती है। लोग अपने नुमाइंदे, अगर उन्हें लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट अच्छी तरह से फंक्शन नहीं कर रही है, कोई किसी काम में लापरवाही हो रही है, तो वो मतलब जो टर्म है किसकी इलेक्शंस की, जो गवर्नमेंट ने क्या क्या फिक्स किया पीरियड, इन दिस पीरियड कि कौन सा पीरियड 5 ईयर का पीरियड्स है। इसमें गवर्नमेंट अगर लोगों को लगे कि मतलब जो ये चुने हुए रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं ये अच्छी तरह से इंटरेस्ट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, हमारी मांगों को पूरा नहीं कर पाए, तो हम इनको चेंज भी कर सकते हैं। जो लोगों की पार्टिसिपेशन होती है ये काफ़ी रैलीज़ के ज़रिए भी, अच्छा धरना देते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे करके लोग अपनी पार्टिसिपेशन इसमें करते हैं। जो मेंबर्स होते हैं माइनॉरिटी कमेटी के, सो द नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल सी द रैली। तो ये होती है लोगों की पार्टिसिपेशन। लोगों की पार्टिसिपेशन के ज़रिए गवर्नमेंट बनती है और यही जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं ये गवर्नमेंट को चलाते हैं। आई थिंक यू विल गेट इट। थैंक्स। अल्लाह हाफिज़।